Hey everyone, welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more tips and insights on managing diabetes. Today we're tackling a question that many diabetic often wonder about. Why do we get shaky even when our glucose levels are normal? Plus, I'm going to share 2 foods that can help bring your glucose levels down from 200 to 115 milligrams DL. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why you might feel shaky even when your blood sugar levels are normal. Sometimes people with diabetes experience symptoms like shakiness, sweating, and anxiety even when their glucose levels are within the normal range. This can be due to several reasons. Number 1. Previous hypoglycemia. If your body has experienced low blood sugar episodes frequently, it may react strongly to even slight drops, causing you to feel symptoms of hypoglycemia even at normal levels. Number 2. Rapid changes. A quick change in blood sugar levels can trigger these symptoms. For example, if your blood sugar was high and suddenly drops to a normal level, your body might perceive this as a hypoglycemic event. Number 3. Medication effects. Certain diabetes medications can cause your blood sugar to drop more quickly than your body is accustomed to, leading to shakiness and other symptoms. Understanding your body and monitoring your blood sugar closely can help you manage these symptoms better. Now let's talk about 2 foods that can help you bring your glucose levels down from 200 to 115 mg/dL. Number 1. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Add a teaspoon to your oatmeal smoothie or even your coffee to help manage your glucose levels. Number 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are low in calories and carbohydrates but high in fiber. They help slow down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, helping to stabilize your glucose levels. Final thoughts. So there you have it, understanding why you might feel shaky at normal glucose levels and incorporating these 2 foods into your diet can make a big difference in managing your diabetes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to ZeroDiabetes Zone for more tips and tricks on living a healthy life with diabetes. See you next time.